Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about how you can convert a web page HTML code into PDF file. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So all you have to do is you need to go to this website I love PDF, and over here you will need to scroll a bit down and click on HTML to PDF. Now we will take the example of this google.com over here, and we'll add HTML. So we'll simply copy paste the website URL and click on add, and we'll wait for it to load. And after loading, you just have to click on convert to PDF, and once it's converted, you can go ahead and download it. So we'll wait for it to be converted over here. So as you can see, the website has been converted to PDF, so we'll go ahead and download it. Now if I go ahead and open this in the Chrome tab, as you can see, it's already converted into PDF. So it is this simple. And in case if you still have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.